Stop making clove water the way most people do. There's always a new miracle remedy trending online. Some superfood promising the impossible. And honestly, most of them don't live up to the hype. But what if one of nature's most powerful combinations has been hiding in your spice cabinet all along? I'm Eugenol, a cardiothoracic surgeon with 15 years of experience. And I understand this feeling. After 50, many of us start accepting a certain level of discomfort as normal. Sleep isn't as deep as it used to be. That dull ache in your joints every morning. Fatigue that lingers no matter how much rest you get. Blood sugar swings that are hard to control. We assume this is just aging, something to accept rather than something we can change. But what if I told you that a simple drink made from cloves, when prepared correctly and consumed at the right time, could impact all of these issues? Not one generic recipe for everyone, but a preparation method that depends on the specific benefit you're aiming for. In this video, I'll share 5 benefits of clove water for people over 60, and I'm certain you need at least 3 of them. I'll also show you 3 different recipes depending on your goal. And most importantly, I'll tell you exactly when to drink it to maximize benefits without disrupting your sleep. Before we begin, do you regularly add cloves to your daily routine? Comment and let me know. I'm curious where you're from in the world. Now, let's talk about the compound that makes cloves so special. Eugenol. When you smell cloves, that warm, spicy, slightly pungent aroma that reminds you of the holidays, you're smelling eugenol. Eugenol makes up 70 to 90% of the essential oil in every clove bud. And this isn't just a flavoring agent. This is a compound with powerful biological activity that has been studied in hundreds of scientific papers. Eugenol works through 3 main mechanisms. First, it inhibits the COX enzyme, the exact same mechanism as ibuprofen and other non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. But instead of a synthetic pill with a long list of side effects, you're consuming a natural compound that humans have been exposed to for thousands of years. Second, eugenol is a powerful antioxidant. It neutralizes free radicals, those unstable molecules that damage cells and accelerate the aging process. Third, eugenol has vasodilating effects. It helps relax blood vessel walls, improving circulation and supporting healthy blood pressure. But why is drinking it at night more effective? Because when you sleep, your body shifts into repair mode. Cells are regenerated, tissues are restored, and antioxidants like eugenol work most efficiently when your body isn't distracted by daytime activities. Drinking clove water before bed is like sending in the repair crew, right when the construction site is at its quietest. Now, let's dive into 5 specific benefits, starting with the most common one. Benefit number 5, fighting chronic inflammation. Do you know what's silently destroying your body from the inside without you even realizing it? Chronique inflammation. Not the kind of inflammation you can see, like a swollen cut or a sore throat when you have a cold. I'm talking about the low-grade, persistent inflammation that creeps through your blood vessels, your joints, your very cells. Scientists call it the silent killer, and they have good reason. Chronic inflammation is linked to nearly every chronic disease of aging: heart disease, diabetes, cancer, Alzheimer's, arthritis. It causes no obvious symptoms until it's too late. And here's what truly concerns me. Millions of Americans over 60 are taking ibuprofen, naproxen, or other non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs every single day. For back pain, for arthritis, for aches they assume are just a normal part of getting older. But few are warned that long-term use of these drugs can cause stomach ulcers, kidney damage, and paradoxically, increased risk of heart attack and stroke. Meanwhile, eugenol in cloves works through the same mechanism, inhibiting the COX enzyme that drives inflammation. But it's a natural compound that the body tolerates far better. A 2012 study in the Journal of Immunotoxicology showed that eugenol effectively suppresses COX activity, significantly reducing inflammatory markers in the body. I'm not saying cloves can replace prescription medications, but as part of a daily routine, they can help manage chronic inflammation gently and sustainably, without the risks that come with synthetic anti-inflammatory drugs. Benefit number 4, supporting cellular protection against damage. Now, let's talk about something no one wants to think about, but everyone should know. Every day, your cells are under attack. Free radicals, unstable molecules created by pollution, processed foods, stress, even normal breathing are constantly bombarding your DNA, causing small amounts of damage. Most of the time, your body repairs itself. But when damage accumulates faster than repair can happen, that's when trouble begins. Oxidative stress, the imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants, is linked to cellular aging and many serious diseases, including cancer. And this is why cloves deserve attention. Eugenol, along with flavonoids and gallic acid in cloves, forms a powerful antioxidant army. A 2019 review in the Journal of Functional Foods ranked cloves as one of the spices with the highest antioxidant capacity, even higher than turmeric and ginger. These antioxidants act like shields, neutralizing free radicals before they can damage your DNA. Let me be clear, drinking clove water won't cure cancer and won't guarantee you'll never get sick. No food or drink can do that. But providing your body with abundant antioxidants every day is one of the simplest ways to support your cell's natural defense mechanisms. And when you drink it at night, when your body is in repair mode, these antioxidants can work most effectively. Benefit number 3, regulating blood sugar. If you're over 60, there's one number you need to watch more closely than your weight: blood sugar. Not because you already have diabetes, but because silent blood sugar fluctuations happening every day, after every meal, every night while you sleep, are slowly damaging your blood vessels, nerves, and many other organs. Blood sugar spikes after meals. Blood sugar drops too low in the middle of the night, waking you up. This constant fluctuation creates stress on your body. And here's what's fascinating about cloves. Research shows that eugenol and another compound in cloves called nigericin can increase insulin sensitivity, helping cells absorb glucose more efficiently instead of letting it circulate in your blood. A 2019 study found that consuming cloves improved blood sugar control, especially when taken in the evening. Why does evening matter? Because at night, your body's insulin sensitivity is naturally higher. When you drink clove water at this time, you're combining eugenol's effects with your body's natural circadian rhythm, creating a synergistic effect. And if you combine cloves with cinnamon, another spice famous for supporting blood sugar, the benefits can increase significantly. This is why I'll share a specific combination recipe later in the video. But first, let's talk about the 2 remaining benefits. And these are the 2 I believe matter most for people over 60. Benefit number 2, cardiovascular health. As a cardiothoracic surgeon, this is the benefit that truly caught my attention. Every day, your heart beats about 100,000 times. It pumps roughly 2,000 gallons of blood through more than 60,000 miles of blood vessels. And it does this without stopping, year after year. But after 60, this system starts showing signs of fatigue. Blood vessel walls become stiffer. Blood pressure tends to rise. Circulation becomes less efficient. And this is where eugenol becomes interesting. A 2016 study in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine showed that eugenol has vasodilating effects. It helps relax the smooth muscle and blood vessel walls, allowing blood to flow more easily and reducing the strain on your heart. Combined with its antioxidant properties that protect vessel walls from damage, and its anti-inflammatory effects that reduce the risk of plaque formation, you have a comprehensive cardiovascular support drink. I remember one patient, Richard, 68 years old. He came to see me with borderline blood pressure, not high enough to require medication immediately, but concerning enough to need monitoring. He had tried reducing salt, exercising regularly, but the numbers remained unstable. I suggested he try adding clove water to his evening routine, in combination with the lifestyle changes he was already making. 6 weeks later, he came back for a follow-up. His blood pressure still wasn't perfect, but it was significantly more stable. And what made him happiest, he was sleeping better, waking up with more energy. I don't know if it's the cloves or not, he said, but something is working. That's exactly how I view these natural solutions. Not magic, not a replacement for medical treatment, but part of the bigger picture. A small piece of the puzzle, but a meaningful one. Benefit number 1, improving sleep. And now, the benefit I saved for last. Because for people over 60, this may be the most important one of all. Sleep. Can you remember the last time you slept deeply through the night and woke up feeling truly rested? If you have to think too long to answer that question, you're not alone. After 60, deep sleep decreases significantly. You wake up more easily in the middle of the night. It's harder to fall asleep. And even when you spend 7 to 8 hours in bed, you still wake up tired. Many people accept this as part of aging. Or worse, they turn to sleeping pills, with all the risks that come with them. But cloves can help in a completely natural way. Eugenol and another compound in cloves called beta-caryophyllene have mild sedative effects. They interact with GABA receptors in the brain, the same system that many prescription sleep medications target, but in a much gentler way. A 2022 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that people who consumed cloves before bed reported significantly improved sleep quality. But here's what's important, and this is the mistake many people make. If you drink clove water right before getting into bed, you'll wake up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom. That completely defeats the purpose of improving sleep. The right timing is 2 hours before bed. Enough time for eugenol to start working, and enough time for your kidneys to process the fluid you drank. I had one patient, Helen, 72 years old, who had struggled with sleep for many years. She tried melatonin. It didn't work. She tried chamomile tea. It helped a little, but not significantly. She didn't want to take sleeping pills because she was worried about side effects. I suggested she try clove water with honey, drinking it at 8 in the evening, 2 hours before her usual bedtime. 3 weeks later, she called me. "Doctor, last night I slept from 10 until 5 in the morning without waking up once. First time in years." She didn't call it a miracle. She still had nights when she didn't sleep well, but the percentage of nights with deep sleep had increased significantly. And for her, that was life-changing. The honey in the recipe also plays an important role. It provides a small amount of glucose that helps the brain produce natural melatonin, and tryptophan supports this process. This is why I have a specific recipe for sleep, and it's different from the recipe for blood sugar or cardiovascular health. Now, let's get to the practical part: how to make clove water correctly. As I said at the beginning of this video, there is no one-size-fits-all recipe. How you prepare it and when you drink it depends on the benefit you're aiming for. Recipe 1. The basic recipe. This is the foundation for all other recipes, and it's perfect if you want overall benefits: anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and general health support. You need 3 to 5 whole cloves and 1 cup of water, about 8 ounces. Bring the water to a boil, then add the cloves. Reduce to low heat and let the cloves steep for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll see the water turn light brown and release that distinctive aroma. Strain out the cloves and let it cool to a warm temperature. Drink it warm, not hot, because hot liquid can irritate your stomach lining. The timing is flexible. You can drink it after dinner or 1 to 2 hours before bed. Recipe 2. For deep sleep. If your main goal is improving sleep, this is the recipe I recommend. Start with the basic recipe: 3 to 5 cloves steeped in 1 cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. After straining and letting it cool to warm, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey and stir well. Honey doesn't just soften the spicy taste of cloves. It provides a small amount of glucose that helps the brain produce melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Honey also contains tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin and melatonin. The timing is the key factor. Drink it exactly 2 hours before you go to bed. Why 2 hours? Because if you drink it too close to bedtime, you'll wake up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom, and that completely defeats the purpose of improving sleep. 2 hours allows your kidneys to process the fluid, while giving eugenol enough time to start affecting your nervous system. Recipe 3. For blood sugar and cardiovascular health. If you want to focus on blood sugar control or cardiovascular support, this recipe combines the 2 most powerful spices for that purpose. You need 3 to 5 cloves, half a Ceylon cinnamon stick, or a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1 cup of water. Bring the water to a boil. Add the cloves and cinnamon. Reduce to low heat and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and let it cool to warm. Cinnamon, especially Ceylon cinnamon, has been extensively studied for its ability to improve insulin sensitivity. When combined with eugenol from cloves, You have a powerful blood sugar and cardiovascular support drink. The best time to drink it is right after dinner. This is when blood sugar typically peaks, and also when your body starts shifting into rest mode, when Eugenol's vasodilating effects can work most effectively. A few important notes. Don't drink clove water on an empty stomach. Eugenol can irritate your stomach lining if there's no food to buffer it. Don't drink more than 2 cups per day. Cloves are a potent spice, and more doesn't mean better. Start with 2 to 3 cloves in your first week to see how your body responds. Then gradually increase to 5 cloves if you tolerate it well. And if you're taking any medications, especially blood thinners or diabetes drugs, listen to the next section before you start. Cloves are a safe spice when used in normal cooking amounts. But when you concentrate them into a daily drink, Eugenol's effects become stronger. And that means some people need to be cautious. If you're taking blood thinners like warfarin, high-dose aspirin, or other anticoagulant medications, talk to your doctor before using clove water. Eugenol has mild blood thinning effects, and combining it with medication could increase your bleeding risk. If you're taking diabetes medications, especially insulin or strong blood sugar lowering drugs, monitor your blood sugar carefully when you start drinking clove water. Eugenol can lower blood sugar, and combining it with medication could cause blood sugar to drop too low. If you have surgery scheduled within the next 2 weeks, stop drinking clove water. The blood thinning effects could affect clotting during and after surgery. Pregnant women or those who are breastfeeding should also avoid concentrated clove water. There isn't enough research on safety in these situations. If you have serious liver disease, talk to your doctor first. Eugenol is metabolized by the liver, and a weakened liver may not process it efficiently. And of course, if you're allergic to cloves or related spices, avoid them completely. Now, if you consume too much, more than 2 cups per day, or too many cloves per cup, you may experience some side effects. The most common is stomach irritation, abdominal pain, heartburn, nausea. This is why I recommend never drinking it on an empty stomach. Next is low blood sugar. You might feel dizzy, shaky, or sweaty. Pay special attention if you have a history of low blood sugar or are taking diabetes medications. And finally, increased bleeding risk. You might notice you bruise more easily than usual, bleeding gums, or wounds that take longer to stop bleeding. My advice is to start slow, 2 to 3 cloves in your first week. Observe how your body responds. If everything is fine, gradually increase to 5 cloves. If you're taking any prescription medications, talk to your doctor or pharmacist before adding clove water to your daily routine. Not because cloves are dangerous, but because interactions between substances can create effects you don't expect. Safety first, always. So we've covered quite a journey today. Let me quickly summarize what you need to remember. Cloves are not a miracle cure, but Eugenol, the main active compound, has solid scientific evidence for 5 important benefits for people over 60. Fighting chronic inflammation, supporting cellular protection against damage, regulating blood sugar, improving cardiovascular health, and helping you sleep better. But the most important thing I want you to remember, how you prepare it and when you drink it depends on the benefit you're aiming for. The basic recipe with 3 to 5 cloves for overall benefits. Add honey and drink 2 hours before bed if you want to improve sleep. Combine with cinnamon and drink after dinner if you want to support blood sugar and cardiovascular health. Start slow. Observe your body. And if you're taking medications, talk to your doctor first. If this video was helpful, hit the like button right now. It helps this message reach more people who are looking for natural solutions for their health. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We're here every week with guidance specifically for people over 60. Comment and let me know. Which recipe will you try first? The basic recipe, the sleep recipe, or the cinnamon combination? I read every comment and would love to hear about your experience. I'm Ethan Cole. Take care of your body. It's the only home you have.